Welcome to Peritos Solutions, your trusted cloud and ERP partner.
Agents are basically coming in. So the agents are basically, as I said, those are these are basically just the RAG models, with certain predefined persona or predefined actions. So there are different kinds of agents. So it could be your in a way like a question answer based kind of agent. So you still have your chatbot where the agent is just answering the questions, or you can have action based agent. So you ask, let's still a bot, but you ask the bot to do something. Now this agent can actually understand the context, get the data from the knowledge base, create a request object to call an API, and then perform that action. So it could be an action-based agent as well. Or it could be we can create an orchestration of that agent, so create a chain of thoughts. So multiple agents working in the pipeline. So in this scenario, for example, there are action-based agent as well as the knowledge extraction agents. There are scenarios where to reduce the hallucination, we can combine the answers from the agents. There's an orchestrator running. Orchestrator's work is only to get the query, distribute it amongst the agents, get the answers, validate which answer is more accurate, and then do the response. So that way the hallucination is reduced. So your answer, which you're getting from AI, it's more accurate, it's more validated through that process. Now, to give you an example, we're working with a company. It's a startup based in India. They basically specialize in creating these kind of agentic workflows. So you can combine different you can create different agents, create a different complete workflow, and then use that within a chatbot or within your application. Now, one of the use case was we basically compared it with a chatbot which is running at L'Oreal Paris website, and we had another customer, same industry, then created a chatbot for them, and then kind of compared how it's performing against L'Oreal Paris. So similar kind of chatbot, we basically asked the question. Now on the website, on the L'Oreal website, when we ask the question, video playing. Okay. So we asked the question about just in general, right? So now everyone kind of use ChatGPT. They are used to ask a normal language question. With the chatbot, we expect it will understand and respond. So we asked a simple question, a skin problem. So it should basically return the response in terms of what are the related product, what is the solution, right? So again, this is running an agentic AI underneath. So there are different agents running. One basically solving the problem. So the question which user asks, it's solving the problem based on the knowledge. And then another agent is basically returning the relevant products. Same questions on the Lawyer Paris website. It didn't understand the question at all. So it came up with a usual answer select from the options. So not a good kind of a user behavior or user experience from it. We asked a subsequent question. So how we can actually do this. They have the product, so they can actually answer this based on the products they have. But still it was not able to understand. Same question on our website as well. And again, it came up with the correct products, the correct way of solving the problem. So in simple way, the user experience is much better. You have more interaction with the user, you are able to like sell the products along with like answering the questions.
Moisturizer for the skin.
Though there could be hallucinations. But yeah, like the main point for this was basically how you can actually combine those agents and then use the data from the descriptions of the agent to of the product to basically solve some of the problems. Now, how it basically works. It basically gives like a user interface for creating the agents and then creating a, a, a workflow-based like user interface to combine those agents. So you give a prompt. From the initial prompt, it will suggest you like, these are the possible agents for the prompt which you give. And then you can combine those agents to um, basically use that in the application. So it gives like either like an API endpoint to connect to this workflow, or it gives like a chatbot itself. So a simple kind of like user interface, but the main thing is like that's kind of like the next thing which is coming in. Like the AI agents are basically solving like some of the problems which are there in a normal like RAG model, and then also giving like more options on how you can basically use the AI chatbots and like AI applications in general.
Thank you for watching. Get in touch if you're keen to discuss more.